Jim Mathis, and I'm President and CEO of Wyotek. I came to Wyotek in 1976, and I'm very excited to be back part of it. We plan on building this over the next 2 or 3 years, up to 500 to 1,000 students probably. My claim to fame is my people. Our goal is to make Wyotek great again, and we think we can do it again. We have 3 core programs: automotive, diesel, collision refinishing, and then we have some add-on courses: street rod, trim and upholstery, high performance engine, applied service management. We have chassis fabrication and advanced diesel. Our graduates are literally all over the world in various industries. Employers come from all over the United States every 3 months because they want our students. They're used to working 8 hours a day. They're used to having a positive attitude. They're used to showing up to work. The employers that take these students and continue to grow them, they love them. If you're interested in getting in, getting out, and getting a job and starting in your career in a timely fashion, Wyotek is probably the shortest, most concentrated program that you can attend. Come to Laramie and look at our facilities and meet our people. Check us out.